Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to have multiple charts open on TradingView so you can watch different symbols and time frames at the same time without missing any market movements. If this helps you hit like so more traders can find a dot to start, go to the Layout Setup menu on TradingView and enable multiple charts. You can pick how many charts you want to view in a single layout. Each chart has its own zoom and scroll buttons. And if you want to focus on just one chart, you can click the Maximize Chart button or press Alt plus Enter. To quickly switch between charts, just press Tab. Once you have multiple charts, you can synchronize them. For example, all the indicators and strategies from your first chart can be applied to the additional charts. Keep in mind that chart-specific settings like colors or custom styles won't transfer automatically. But you can synchronize basic settings like interval and symbol from the Layout Setup menu. Drawings work a little differently. By default, drawings only apply to the symbol on that particular chart. If you change the symbol, the drawings disappear, but they'll come back if you return to that symbol. You can choose to synchronize drawings either within a single layout or globally across all layouts. If Global Sync is on, your drawings for a symbol will appear on every chart where that symbol is used, even in new layouts. Just make sure to turn on the Sync button in the Drawings panel on the left toolbar. You can also synchronize intervals between charts by grouping them. Click on the symbol or interval sync icon in the status line or series menu of the chart you want to add to a group, and all charts in that group will follow the same interval. This makes it easy to track multiple time frames and symbols at the same time without constantly adjusting each chart, and that's it. Now you can manage multiple charts, synchronize indicators and drawings, and watch the markets more efficiently on TradingView. If this helped you, hit subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you want me to show advanced multi-chart strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.